Hi everyone, I am Sandra from Hutchings Farm and I am picking potatoes today. I have 3 different kinds of potatoes planted. I have Yukon Gold, white, and red, which I am picking today. And the reason that I'm showing you the red is that these plants seem to be having the highest yield so far for me. So what I look for, the potato plant grows up, it flowers, and then it looks like it's dying, and that usually means that your potatoes are ready. I've been digging these by hand, so I find the root of the potato. Give it a yank, throw that aside. What do we have? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, my 9 rolled away. 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one. That is 12 from one plant. So yes, the red is giving me the best yield. I am digging for potatoes today. You will see potatoes in the Hutchings Farm store this weekend. I am open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. See you soon. Thanks for watching.